Eastern students prepare for today's competitive job market by applying classroom learning in a variety of hands-on learning settings. Hundreds of internships are available each year on campus, in the local community, and throughout Connecticut. Everything from computer programming to video production. Eastern students conduct research as undergraduates on genetics, social media, eating disorders, and much more. In fact, more undergraduates from Eastern attend the National Research Conference than from any other New England school. They also present and publish their findings. Almost half of Eastern students learn leadership and professional skills in service learning courses or by volunteering in the community. You can also find Eastern students broadening their knowledge and their cultural awareness on study abroad trips to the Caribbean, England, Hawaii, Italy, and other locations. Student teaching, backstage work in the theater department, music performances, and art exhibitions are just some of the other hands-on learning opportunities on campus. Eastern students also prepare for careers in more than 90 student clubs and organizations. Eastern, where hands-on learning brings classroom theory to life and prepares you for today's jobs.